Start.
Good morning, children. Today I am going to start my session with the division of 4-digit number by single digit number. Division of 4-digit number by single digit number. So let us take an example. Divide 2148 by 8. Here 2148 is a dividend and 8 is a divisor. So we arrange the numbers like this in a place value chart: thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. I am writing here 2, 1, 4, 8, and then just like a division form, and 8 is the divisor. So here, children, I must write down in the top of little bit upper side is thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Now this is the division form. 2148 will be divided by 8. So this is the first step to write down the numbers in a division form. Now second step we start with the extreme left side of the dividend. This is right side of the dividend and this is left side of the dividend. So we will start from the extreme left side of the dividend, that is with the highest place value digit. So here the highest place value is thousands and the digit is 2000s. Here we see that the 2 is less than 8, right? 2 is less than 8, so we will multiply 8 with 0. 8 zeros are 0. Now we will subtract 2 minus 0, it is 2. Now we move ahead and then we will take the next digit, that is 1, and I will write this 1 along with 2121. It will become 2100. This 2100 is 21 is more than 8. So we start the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So 24 is more than 21. So I will take 8 twos are 16. So 2 will be in the hundreds place. So 2 times of 8 is 16. Now I will subtract this one. 1 minus 6 not possible. So I will borrow 110 from here. So 10 plus 1 will become 11 and 2 will be reduced to 1. So 11 minus 6 is 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now third step is fourth step. I will put down this 4 digit along with this 4, will write along with this 5. Now it will become 54 tens. So it will become 54 tens. And this 54 is more than 8. So we will start the tables of the 8. Right? So let's start the table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48 and 8 sevens are 56. 56 is more than 54. So I will take 8 6 are 48. Now I will subtract 54 minus 48. It is 6. Now next step I will put down this 8 ones along with 6. It will become 68 ones. Now I will start the table. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 72 is more than 68, so it is not possible. So I will take 8 8s are 64. So I will subtract 68 minus 64 is 4. So here all of you see that this 4 is a remainder and this 268, it is quotient. So children, quotient is, what is the quotient? Quotient is 268 and remainder is 4. Now let us again see. I will start from the extreme left side, that is 2000. So 2 is less than 8. I will start the multiplication with 0. 8 zeros are 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2, and then I put down this 1 along with 2. It becomes 21. Now 8 2s are 16. 16, 21 minus 16 is 5. Now I will put down this 4 along with 5. It becomes 54 tenths. So 8 6 are 48. 48, 54 minus 48. It is 6. And then I will put down this 8 along with 6. It will become 68. Now 8 8s are 64. 68 minus 64 is 4. So this 4 is the remainder and this 268 is the quotient. Now children, let us take another example. Another example, that is divide 6507 by 6. Okay, divide 6507 by 6. Here 6507 is a dividend and 6 is a divisor. Now I will write down in the place value chart. This is 4-digit number. So 4 place value chart, 4 places, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now I will write 6507 and then I will write down divisor here 6. Now I will start the division from the extreme left side, highest place value 6, 6000. 6 is equal to 6, so it is possible to divide. So 6 ones are 6. 1 will be at the thousands place. 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. Now I will put down this 5 along with 0 and it becomes 5. Now here 5 is less than 6. So I will multiply 0 with 6. 6 zeros are 0. So it is 5 minus 0 is 5. Now I will put down this 0 along with 5. It becomes now 50 tenths. Now I will start the table. 6, 6 8s are 48. 48, 50 minus 48 is 2. Now I will put down this 7 along with 2. It becomes 27 ones. Now start the table. 6 3s are 24. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. So 6 5s are 30 is not possible. 6 4s are 24. So 27 minus 24 is 3. So here children, this 3 is a remainder and the quotient is 1084. So how you will write it? Quotient is equal to 1084 and remainder is equal to 3. Now let us start worksheet number 2. Division of 4-digit number by single digit number. Worksheet number 2. Question number 1. Divide. Firstly you have to divide and then you have to write down quotient and remainder. Write quotient and remainder. Okay children, firstly you will have to divide and then after that you will have to write down quotient and remainder. So A, 7525 will be divided by 5. So how many digits are there in this dividend? What is the division? Let me firstly tell you. So 7525 is a dividend and 5 is the divisor. So I will write down this dividend in a place value chart. 4 digits are there, so 4 places, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So I will write down this 7525 5. Now I will divide 7525 by 5. So I will start from the extreme left side. According to the law of the division, when you are doing the division, you have to follow some rules. So the rule in the case of the division, that you have to start with the extreme left side. In case of addition, in case of subtraction, in case of multiplication, we start from right to left. But in case of division, it is just opposite. We have to start from left side to the right side. It means the greatest place value digit to the smallest place value digit. So here 7 is the greatest place value digit. What is the value of 7? 7000. So this 7 is more than 5. Okay. So it is possible to divide. So I will start 1 times of 5 is 5. So I will write down 5 and I will write 1 in the thousands place. This 1 is a quotient. So 1000. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Now I will put down this 500 along with 2. So now it will become 2500. So this 25 is more than 5. So I will start the table of 5. Starts 1 times of 5 is 5, 2 times of 5 is 10, 3 times of 5 is 15, 4 times of 5 is 20, 5 times of 5 is 25. So 25 minus 25 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now I will put down this 2 along with 0. So here it is 2. So here you see, children, this 2 is less than 5. So what do? I will multiply 0 with 5. So 0 times of 5, 0 will be at tens place. 0 times of 5 is 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Now I will put down this 5 ones along with 2. It will become 25. So 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25 is 25 minus 25 is 0. So here 0 is the remainder and the 1505 is the quotient. So here, children, what is the quotient? This is the quotient. 1505 is the quotient. 1505 is the quotient. So 1505 is the quotient and the remainder is 0. Okay. So here always you have to follow the rules of the division. Rules of the division is totally opposite to the rules of the addition, subtraction and multiplication. In addition, subtraction and multiplication, children, we start the operation from the right side, the smallest place value digit to the greatest place value digit of the number. But in case of the division operation, we start from the extreme left side of the dividend, and that is the greatest place value digit, and from left to right. So here all of you see that remainder is 0 and the quotient is 1505. How you will do it with another example. So here B, 4924 will be divided by 8. Similarly, same 4924 is divided by 8. So I will write down this in a place value chart. 4-digit number, dividend is 4-digit number, so I will write down the 4 places of the place value chart: thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now below this I will write 4, 9, 2, 4. Now I will give the division form divided by 8, right? Now here I will start from according to the rule, I will start from the extreme left side of the dividend, that is greatest place value digit. So 4000. 4 is less than 8. So I will multiply 8 with 0. 0 will be at the thousands place. 0 times of 8 is 0. Now 4 minus 0 is 4. Now I will put down this 900 along with 4. Now it will become 4900. So 49 is more than 8. So I will start the table of 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56. 56 is more. So I will take 8 6 are 48. So 49 minus 48 is 1. Right? Now I will put down this 2 along with 1. And this 12 tens. 12 is more than 8. So multiplication, then I will start. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 16 is more than 12. So if 1 times of 8 is 8. So 12 minus 8. How much, children? 12 minus 8 is 4. Now I will put down this 4 along with 4. So here 44. So we'll start the table. 8 fives are 40. So 44 minus 40 is equal to 4. Right? So here, children, you will see that 4 is the remainder and this 615 is the quotient. So you have to write down quotient is 615 and remainder is what? 4. Right? Now let us come to the another example. Question number 2. This is question number 1, children. You have to divide and then find out the quotient and remainder. Okay? Now, children, come to the question number 2 of worksheet 2. Question number 2 of worksheet 2. Now come to question number 2. What is the question number 2? You have to divide and check your answer. Divide and check your answer. Check your answer. Right? So now let us take an example. 4217 by 8. Right? You have to divide 4217 by 8. So let us write down this in a base value chart. 4-digit number. So 4 places, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now I will write down 4200, 1 10, 7 ones. Now I will give the division form. It will be divided by 8. Now let us start from the extreme left side, maximum place value digit, that is 4000. So 4 is less than 8. So I will start the table of 8 with 0. 8 zeros are 0. So 4 minus 8, 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now I will put down this 2 along with 4. It becomes 4200. And 42 is more than 8. Right? So 42, let's start the table. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. So 42 minus 40 is 2. Now I will put down this one here, 21. It becomes 21 tenths. Now let's start the table. 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So 8 twos are 16. 21 minus 16 is how much? 21 minus 16 is 5. Now I put down this 7 along with 57. Now it becomes 57 ones. Now let's start the table. 8 sevens are 56. So 57 minus 56 is 1. So here, children, what is the quotient? Quotient is 527 and remainder is 1. Now here, children, all of you see how we will check this. How we will check this division. As you know, children, here divisor is, what is the divisor? Divisor is 8 and dividend is, what is the dividend? Dividend is 4217. Now let's check it. What is the formula of checking? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So we will insert all the numbers here. Now here what is the quotient, children? Quotient is, what is the quotient? 527 multiplied by divisor. What is the divisor? Divisor is 8. 527 will be multiplied by 8 added with the remainder. Remainder is 1. This is the remainder. Remainder is 1. This is the divisor and this is the quotient 527. So here all of you see. Let's multiply 527 into 8. 8 7 is 56. 6 5 carry over. 8 2 is 16 plus 5 21. 2 carry over. 8 5 is 40 plus 2 42 plus 1. Now after adding it will become 4217. Here children all of you see. This 4217, it is same as this dividend. Clear? So this 4217 is same as the dividend. So it is checked. So in this way children, what you have to do, question number 2 also. So children, your classwork is, you have to do question number 1. Question number 1 is your classwork and question number 2 is your H work. Question number 1 is your classwork of worksheet number 2. So this is your assignment children. So hope children you have enjoyed my class, and all of you must watch this video very carefully children, and if you are having any queries, any doubts, then you can contact me in my WhatsApp number. Okay children, you can contact me in group and also personally. So children, your worksheet number 2, your assignment is question number 1 is a classwork and question number 2 is your homework. So children, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.